Today, let's check out this Clio Q Cover Mesh Cushion Foundation in the glowy formula. The outer packaging is very cool, but I don't understand any of these Korean. Hey, at least it comes with a refill. This is what it looks like. Of course, I get the darkest shade available. Now is the satisfying opening moment. There is that cool mesh, that cover foundation. And this is the swatch, glowy, a little bright, but hey, brightening. I'm just gonna tap once. There's a lot of product. I'm going to go on the back of my hand a little bit. So glowy. And then let's see. Oh my god. Blends very quickly. Foundation is very serum-like. This side of my face has the cushion on. This side does not. Oh my god, the pores are real here. Using this as under eye concealer. As you can see, I have a little bit of eye bags. Powder. No powder. Ready to leave the house, and this is what the Q Cover Mesh looks with a light layer of powder and blush. No highlighter or anything. Something very translucent and glowing about it. Very skin-like, and the application process, as you can see, was flawless. I did not need a concealer under my eye because it has enough coverage, but somehow it melts into the skin. I just had on the Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer previously and some sunscreen, Super Goop Everyday Play Sunscreen. And this is the result. Let's see what it looks like later in the day. Wow, it's been 6 hours now and the foundation is still glowy as ever. There's something about this texture and how the cream kind of hold itself together and maintain its coverage rather than some of the cushion foundations out there. If you keep applying on it, it doesn't keep covering, right? The coverage is like maxed out, and then after that it's kind of like cakey or break apart or looks weird. But this one, it looks beautiful. It's not the highest coverage, but it's definitely light to medium coverage for sure. I mean, if I can use it for concealer, it's better than a lot of cushion foundations out there. So I'm heading to a Halloween event, so we have a lot of prep work to do, and then I'll get ready. So in my last check-in at the end of the night, your next time seeing me, I might be very, very bloody. It's been a good party. It's been 12 hours. Touch up a little bit at like 6 p.m. and I did put on like a thin other new layer of the cushion, but I did not re-powder or I did not take out the oil. So next time I would take blot, maybe blot with like some blotting paper, or apply a thin layer of setting powder, and I think I would be even more put together right now at 12 hours. Just a first impression. This is literally the first day I use it, and I'll keep using it. And make sure you subscribe or follow for updates. Until next time, don't flop.